当年叫我是理事，对不起，我是绿边摇风协会的理事长理事，再重新组来的那刚才李教授提到，就是一个观光，就创意观光这个领域来讲就是说，副市长他就说，怎么样去把观光客跟当地人结合在一起？这个是一个很重要的一个关键，我们是不是可以了解的事情？谢谢。
好，谢谢。那我们是在征求一个问题之后，再一并的请副市长做回答。这边请。
好，我是成功大学创意产业所的学生，然后我是Amy，然后我们想问的问题是，就是在西班牙殖民印第安跟美国东岸三者之间那么多种文化的结合下，怎么样去平衡每一个族群他们的一些特性，或者是有没有一些冲突？那在这么多艺术家或者是国际的不同的族群来到这样子的城市的时候，怎么样有没有一些具体的事件让我们可以感觉到说可以让当地的居民跟外来者是可以很和谐的相处的？这样子，我的问题是这个。
好，谢谢。我想这两个问题都是非常好的问题。那是不是接下来就请吕贝卡副市长来做回应？
Let me start with the second question, because I don't remember the first question. I'm fascinated with your question because, again, the blending of cultures in Santa Fe, to speak to the first part of your question, has something that has happened over hundreds of years. It included bloodshed. I mean, part of the integration was actually fights. But I think now what happens in Santa Fe is there are three relatively harmonious cultures that are there because people are there because they want to be there. It goes back to the core value of why people live in Santa Fe, and people who have lived there for many years still want to live there, so you find a way to work things out. And the diversity, I mean, we have 75,000 people. What you'll find is not everybody has to do everything together. I mean, you see the range of art events. I mean, you may find, it's not to say that the Spanish events are only Spanish. You have a mix. You have the Spanish events put together the festival by the people within the Spanish heritage, and a mix of people come to it. So somehow magically over time, goes from fighting, and then I wouldn't say it's public policy, I would say it's citizens getting together in a small town environment, which is what we still have there basically, and learning how to live together. Because everybody knows everybody. You can't get away with anything, you know. And that sets the context. I don't know if that's helpful. But it certainly was not a public policy that led to people getting along. What was the first question again? Oh, how we link, more about how we link to creativity. Pardon? Well, people come to Santa Fe because of the art. I mean, our national and international reputation, not so much international, but it's like, why do you go to Las Vegas? Okay? If you want to go to Las Vegas, or if you want to gamble, we have 11 casinos, but I say, don't come to Santa Fe, go to Las Vegas, all right? So again, how do we do it? It's because if you look at all the assets that have built over time, that's what we have. The effort as a city, as a governing body, is to get that message out and get it out in a way so that people have a clear understanding of why they want to come to Santa Fe. And that's a real challenge for us internationally, as I think it is for you. So to me, it's a matter of, I hate the word branding, but I prefer the word getting in touch with your core value and then being very clear about how you market your city and what kind of tourists that you want. But you have to have that infrastructure there. I don't believe in the whole creative cities movement that says, I don't know what these colleagues will say, where you go and you can invent, you build something. I prefer an approach that's indigenous to the area, that every place doesn't follow every place. You find out what you have and that's what you promote. And in Santa Fe, we are fortunate. We develop the art further, but it's a matter of further development rather than starting from scratch. That's the best I can do now.
好，因为我们的时间也到了，那所以我想，今天很感谢我们Rebecca 副市长的一个专题演讲。我想他提到的是塔菲的历史文化的背景，跟台南这个城市真的有非常大的一个相似性。不管是移民的文化，或是殖民的文化，在台南这个城市一样，都经历过这段的历史跟文化。所以它累积了非常深厚的一个文化的厚度。不过我想，这个圣塔菲市，他们把这种文化优势，跟艺术、教育、经济跟社会把它结合在一起，然后让它往上的提升跟发展。我想这是非常值得台南市这个城市来做借鉴、来做学习的。所以我们今天是不是再一次的掌声，感谢我们吕贝卡副市长以及我们台北艺术大学林慧琴教授的一个舞台。那我们第一场的演讲到这里，谢谢。
Thank you, Ms. Busberger and Director here at Professor Lin.